Hail left a lot of damage behind tonight in Allen, and you've got more pictures to show us.
I do. You know, it's just all my years here, it's remarkable how Collin County, you know, other places, of course, have been pummeled too, but Collin County just, my gosh, it's just once again, you know.
But you said out in your area of Plano, nothing.
Well, it's where the good people live, Chris.
Okay, of course.
Yeah, no, nothing. It's weird. I mean, just literally like as the crow flies, just a couple miles to the north of my, I mean, at my house, Jackie said we had nothing at all. Wow. Just heavy rain, not even any wind. But it's funny. I mean, you know, just north of me and then northeast of me, my gosh, I mean, just got pummeled. I want you to take a look at this video right here. This is Stacy Hamilton in Allen, and this is Shawnee Boy Hamilton's wife. Man. Look at that. And I had literally Sean was just here in the studio. He said, I'm meeting Stacy for dinner. He said, should she leave? And I said, let me look at the radar. I said, no, tell her to stay home right now. You don't want to be out in that. And look at these pictures. So thanks to Stacy for that. This also was in Allen. Look at the hail. Man, my gosh. I mean, just crazy. And here's another one in Allen.
Oh, man, that's going to mess up your car.
No question. And now watch this. Look at this here. Another one in Allen. Look at it. It's like baseballs being thrown into the pool. Wow. Look how they're coming in from the right to the left. Wow, and there we go.
Wow.
Here's some of the damage right here. Here's another picture. Look at how the trees were just shredded. Yeah, lots of damage, unfortunately. Just so sad. Just another issue to deal with here tonight in Dallas, Fort Worth, and North Texas. Yeah, golf ball size or bigger. You know, with that picture there, look at this. This is a Craig Ranch, so yeah, all in the Allen area. So fortunately, things have calmed down right now for us. We still have some thunderstorms down to the south, severe thunderstorm warning in Hamilton. That's for some 60-mile-an-hour winds, some quarter, maybe up to golf ball size hail down in central Texas tonight. That is moving away. Cold front's on top of us there. It'll be in Dallas, you know, in the next 30 minutes or so. There it is at midnight south of Waxahachie. You know, not much rain with it the rest of the night.